So some of you may know that I have recently bought the PS4, which I have it in here, but I didn't play much. But the thing is not about that. Well, if you don't know the updates, well, you are missing a lot. You have to follow the Tech Fanciers Instagram page for more updates about me and this channel. So if you actually no reasons, just subscribe. So the thing is here we have the God of War game, but you can play God of War in your mobile through PSP emulator on the Android. So in this video I will be showing you how you can connect our Redgear joystick on our Realme pad. So let's get into it. So we have made a dedicated full review of this particular joystick. If you want to watch the review of it, you can watch it by using the I button. That video itself I told how you can connect this on the Android. So here for example I will be connecting this on my Realme pad. Currently this is playing the God of War Ghost of Sparta on the PSP emulator. This is oversaturated content on how you can play a PSP game or even PS1 or PS2 game. You can play it and there are a bunch of videos out there. But in this video I will be showing how you can connect this joystick. So as you already know, this joystick has two interfaces. One is X input, the another one is legacy joypad input. So we have to use that legacy one to connect it to Android. Also here I have this dongle in my laptop, so I have to use the OTG cable here. So first I will connect this, right? So next thing is I have to enable the OTG option in the tab. So for that reason first I will check whether the OTG option is already enabled. I'll just connect this, right? So also this tablet is currently running in the stock Android, so whoever knows it. So I'll go to settings, system, and then here I have the option to connect the OTG. So in some Realme devices you will be having the option to enable the OTG separately. So once you enable the OTG, you can just click the power button. See, it is just connected. If it is in so here you can see it is automatically moving. So this one is currently in the correct input. So if it is in different input, for example if I click here, right, so now it is in X input. So if I use, it may not work. It is working maybe because it is due to the latest recent Android, but if you are using some older Android you can switch between different input options. So now we will try to play it on PSP game. So for that reason I will be switching to top down view. Okay, so this is the typical meme, the game that I want, and if you go bottom, the game that my mother bought to me. Now it is in X input, and this PPSSPP, the PPSSPP here that I have is very smart enough to understand the joystick input. So here you can go here and select. If it is not properly working, you can go to controls, and here you can manually set the what I would say mapping in here. So you can, here you have the option like you can see here. So here you have options like D-pad up, down, and all. You can plus, and you can click up, down here, up, down here. Based on that you can set it. So once you set it, you can pretty much easily go. I have tons of games here like Grand Theft Auto, Ben 10, Tekken, and Ghost of Sparta. So these all games are working perfectly fine. And settings also, it is not much change. Here you can see some glimpse. I have used Vulkan 2x, this one native resolution, and this option. So people telling that this G80 is the gaming processor, but I am not much into that kind of gaming. So and yeah, I will just open the God of War. So we will play for some time. Also I believe I have already, here you can see it is going to this button, right? So I have the load state which I can play. So see friends, we can play like this. So here instead of X it is pressing Y. O is correct, but this is due to the input option, I guess. So I just change the input. Okay. See, now it is working fine. So this is the right input, like second and fourth. So if it is not working, you can switch the input by holding this one. So this is I actually like this, and it feels like a full-fledged gaming experience you will get, and I actually like it, friends. If I got this opportunity in my school days, well, I'll be one of the showing off dude in the class. So that is that. Also, this one handling really well. Earlier with the MTK processor and all, older one, I used to having some issues with that to get the 20 FPS, and audio will be cracking. But here the audio also decent enough, right? See, the audio also good, not that of an issue. So right, so if you have a Realme pad and you have a joystick, not only this, if you have USB joystick also, you can simply connect it to OTG cable and try playing it. So which will typically the one, you don't need to worry that you don't have that or this. Whatever you guys have, just make best out of it. Okay, so I'm actually playing God of War Ragnarok, so in that we have to hold this button to run faster. I'm doing the same here as well, but here you don't need to hold. Also, you don't even need this one extra handle. So yeah, that is about the God of War. I will again do another save. So we got new power, right? So how I can go there? If you are unable to do it, well, easy thing is go here. I'll just save the state. I already finished this game like 10-15 times, so that is there. And let me play Tekken 6. I'm not due to time constraints, I'm not going to play every game. You can find these games like if you type PSP game name and PSP.ISO file, you can pretty much easily get this. So yeah. I like Lee and Paul. Whoever you guys like, let me know. Okay, so arcade. Paul Phoenix. Feng. These and all chill out games, guys. Really great. I don't know how multiplayer works in this one, but we'll I even forgot these games, friends. I don't know it is in easy or something, but yeah, guys. I This is an easy bro. No pain, no gain. Okay, so I will stay with this state and exit. So these are some of the games which I have tried. More than this I have tried it. Also you have some good amount of collections for PSP, and all those things you can download and pretty much play it on the Realme pads as an emulator device. Even you have the PS2 games, but that is not for this video, maybe in some other video or something. So yeah, that's what about connecting this on the Realme pad or any other Android device. So yeah, thanks for watching. Kotmatam.